Good morning. Welcome to Options Tender. It is Friday. I'm just doing a quick update on gold from the monthly time frame all the way down to the 65. We'll check out Elliott waves. Here we go. So we're using GC for gold futures. We're looking at 1935. Back in 2010, 11-ish, 2011 August, we tapped in gold, and then now we're making those highs once again. We have not made all-time highs, but we're right there back over those highs from that area, still in the uptrend. Had a reversal candle here, but I'm not sure that's going to stick. We're holding. If we start to get underneath the MAs in this recent or past high, then we may have something else going on. From what I'm pretty bullish on gold for now. Trying to cross back over bullishly on the MACD. We're still in bullish territory, so the trend is still up. It looks like a cup and handle is the play here. This being the cup, this being the handle. So that will be something to watch in the future, long term. On the weekly. All right, we're going to pay attention mostly to this handle area. Yes, there's a trend line going here, and we had a back test to it. Let's see what happens if we try to retest it there. We have somewhat of a triangle. We'll get into the Elliott wave later. And we're pushing back over the 8 EMA, back over all of the moving averages. Momentum is heading up. We are getting tight into a triangle, so we will expect some sort of breakthrough downside or upside in the weeks to months coming up. Now, going down to the daily, this is the triangle we're looking at. Broke above it, trending up, had a reversal, and now just kind of oscillating right through this territory here. So we have the 1960 on the upside and the 1915 on the downside. This will pretty much explain what's going to happen next. We start to break down. That will be the next leg, possibly at A, B, C. And we would do the measured move on that. And that would be look like it would be a back test to the triangle. And then if it is done here and we had our ABC, because we had a lower low here, and that's over, then we have a possible 1, 2 working on, and we're waiting to break out to the upside, and will be confirmed above this high here. We did enter already. We're going to try to catch just one contract on one call, but we're trying to catch the next move, and I do believe it's going to be the upside. We're here in the neutral zone and looking to cross above or obviously head back down, but this is a neutral zone in the MACD. And then getting real tight in this area here. And look, I didn't even check that out yet. We had a triangle, falling triangle right here in the RSI and starting to break above that, just peaking above. So that's a good sign for the bulls. Let's go down to the 65, see if we can see anything else. All right, and you see this triangulation here as well. We'll be watching this like a hawk to see if we break to the upside or if we start to break this uptrend line there. Same thing here. We're starting to peak above and back testing, and we're getting more into bull territory, riding this trend. And I presume that this will eventually start to, since we're making higher highs and higher lows here, that we'll just we'll catch some traction and make a burst to the upside. Right here, we retested the top of the triangle overnight, came back down. This might be some sort of consolidation, and maybe a 1-2. Not sure. I don't have a good count in here, but let's check it out. Let's check it out on Elliott wave. I did a lot of this yesterday, seeing that this is maybe a possible 1, and then an A, B, C correction for 2. But this not typical for a triangle, so this is a flat so far. Not typical for a triangle on a wave 2, so I'm not going to count it that way at this time. but maybe we have a 1-2-1-2 going on. I can't quite count this out, and I'm not going to put too much detail into there, just for us to break to the upside or downside anyway. So we're just going to watch that triangle, see if we pop above or start to break down below. Simple as that. Getting towards the apex, getting real tight in here. So that's gold. Looking for the upside, but watch out. You got to watch price action, okay? Thanks for joining us here. Options Tenor. If this helps out, please like the video. My patrons and my YouTube members only will typically get all of these, so don't forget to hit that notification button. And if any of this information, you can go into the Patreon and get a lot more information, have my undivided attention. And yeah, thanks for joining us. Have a good day.